Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool Flexi toy. It's super easy, it will take less than 5 minutes. It's really good quality. Alright, well let's get started. This is a website called MakerWorld. It is absolutely amazing. I will link the website in the description. You can make so many amazing things. So you can convert your image to a 3D model. You can make a light box, the Flexi toy which we're going to make. A statue, a desk organizer, a keychain. Oh, that vase looks amazing. So many amazing things you can do on here. What we're going to focus on today is the Flexi toy maker. What you need to do is you do need to sign up for this website to use it. So sign up. Once you've done all that, we can get started. So let's go Flexi toy. And there's the one I prepared earlier. So we're just going to go new project. What I've done is I got ChatGPT to make me an image of a fish, which is here. And then you can choose to keep or remove the background. I'm just going to remove it. Cool. And you can change the ratio as well. I'm happy to keep it at that. We'll go confirm. Perfect. And this is the preview. I'm really happy with that. So we'll go confirm. And this is where you can change the colors. So depending on the color filament that you have and how many your printer takes, you can actually change that. So number 3 is orange. I can actually change that to something else in the next step. So, yep. And we go confirm. Happy with that. So what we want to do now, we can make our hinges. All right, so what we want to do is tap on hinge, and it actually tells you if you want thin, medium or thick, and it tells you in millimeters. So if we go medium, I'm happy with that. And we just draw our hinge or where we want them. Okay, so I want to do a fair few. And that square there, that just tells us where the hinge is. You can change that as well. I might have made that too close, but that's okay. You do as many as you like. Probably could have done that a bit better, but just for example purposes, that's what it looks like there. And then you can actually change where the hinge is. So if you tap it, you can actually move it around. Which is pretty cool. I'm happy with that. So tap on the X. You can change many different elements to it. The stroke. There's the colors again if you want to change that. I'm happy with that. You can actually preview it as well. It may take a bit of time to load. Yep, there it is there. You can actually move it around and it shows you how it will move. I'm really happy with that. So what you want to do is tap on download. And then if you do have a bamboo printer, you select your printer. I don't have one at the moment, but I'll just go A1. You select the nozzle size and then press confirm. So you can download it as a 3MF or as an STL if you want to make further changes on a different program. So what I'll do, download as 3MF. Perfect. And then what I can do is open it. And I can open it with Bamboo Studio. Oh, that's okay. Here it is. Whoops. And there it is there. So then I can make further changes if I want to. If you don't have a bamboo printer, you can put it into Tinkercad. Oops, wrong one. This is one I made earlier, not as much hinges, but then I can make further changes to it, which is pretty cool. Even, I forgot to show you here, you can even make holes on it. Oops, let me just open that one back up. So if you want to put it on your keychain, make it smaller, you can put a hole in it. If we press hole, There it is there, and then you can select where that goes. So I just want it on the top here. Then I can make my image smaller if I want to. You can put a hook in it as well, which is pretty cool. There's so many changes you can make on there. But if you want further ones, you can import it to another CAD software. But yeah, that is MakerLab. Really cool. It's all free. It's amazing. It'll only take less than 5 minutes. If you do have any other further questions, please pop it in the comments. Thanks so much for watching.